special day, we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day, we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration, it's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration, it's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come on. We gather here to tell you on this very special day, we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day, we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may.
Pleasant good morning to all our dear teachers. I'm Aunt Maria. I'm Sirisha, your host of the day. As we set to start our event, it highly said, prayer is not asking, it is longing of the soul. Before we comment our activities, it is time to connect our spirits with the higher power to seek blessings, guidance and wisdom. Now, I would like to call upon Shazin and group to lead us into the prayer. Oh welcome the gathering.
ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಧ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ನೈತ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಗುರುವೆಂಬ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಸೋ ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಳಿಸೋ ಅವನು ಒಂದಾದಾಗ ತಪ್ಪು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಮಬುದ್ಧಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ತ ಶುದ್ಧಿಯ ಹಾದಿ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರ ಹೋದ್ರು ಮರಿಬೇಡ ದಿನಬೇಡ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುವೆ ಆದಿ ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ
ಕೈ ನೋವು ಗೊತ್ತು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ
ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಧ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ನೈತ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಗುರುವೆಂಬ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಸೋ ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಳಿಸೋ
ಬ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಡ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಳು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಐದು ಖುಷಿ ತಂಗಿ ಮಾತು ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡೆ
ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಕಲಿತಾ ಜಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಗುರುತು ಅರಿತಾ ಜಾಗ ಕುರುಸುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಡೆದ ಜಾಗ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪಡೆದ ಜಾಗ ಮೊದಲು ಕೊನೆಯಿಲ್ಲ ಮನೆ ಮೊದಲ ಶಾಲೆ ತಾಯಿನೇ ಗುರು ತಾಯಿ ಪಾಪ ಹೇಳಿದ ಗುರುವೇ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಎನ್ನುವುದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದ ದೇಶ ನಮದು ವಿಶ್ವದ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಂದೆ ಗುರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಹಿಂದೆ ಗುರು ಇರಬೇಕು ನಂಬಿ ನಡೆದರೆ ಸಾಕು ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಬದುಕು
ಏನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಔಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೆ
Everyone, happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. Today we are gathered here to honor and acknowledge our teachers' hard work and dedication, who have played a vital role in shaping our minds and future. Dear sisters, you have been our guiding spirit and role model and star of our institution. I take up the opportunity to welcome our headmistress, Sister Jayanti Das. Hearty welcome to you, dear sister.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು
A warm
शुक्रिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया
and thank you for making us enabled. Shukriya.
Who are present here. Today we are here to give a speech about teachers, and we would like to wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. The most powerful thing in life is our thinking, which has ability to change any situation. Live your life before life leaves you. As you all know, Teachers' Day in India is celebrated on September 5th. The birth anniversary of the second President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was an excellent teacher who believed that teachers should be the best mind in the country. We all have learned a lot of things from our teachers. They not only teach us but also guide us, motivate us and made us successful person. Teachers play a huge role in students' life. Thank you so much for teaching us, and we promise to be good students. And one day all of us will make you proud. This is why I would request all of you to respect your teachers always. On Teachers' Day, I express my graduate opinion to all the teachers. Thank you to all the teachers who have helped me in my journey with your guidance and support. Thank you for everything that you done for us. We are truly grateful to find the teachers in our life. Teachers are real heroes and best friends. My dear teachers, we never forget you in our life. Thank you. Once again, we would like to wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾರು ಹುಟ್ಟನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿ ಸಲ್ಲಾತನ್ನೇ ಸಲ್ಲಾತನ್ನೇ ಅವನಿಂದಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸಾರ ಮುಗಿದೈತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದೈತೆ
respected headmistress and most lovable and caring my dear teachers and my dear friends. Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day for all my respected teachers. Today is the birth anniversary of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and we celebrate as the Teachers' Day. As the proverb says, a good teacher is like rising sun that comes to fill our empty and dark mind with light of education. I thank to all our teachers who are preparing to a competitive world and motivate every day. I thank to all our teachers who teach the good thoughts for our life and give full of knowledge. And our teachers are a symbol of our strength and will always be wonderful source of our support for us all. They are taught in the form of father and loving in the form of mother, caring for us if we were friends and strict, disciplinarious but always looking out for us. Our teachers are great individuals who shape us wise to deal with what. Finally, I thank to all our teachers and thank you for giving this opportunity to speak on this grateful day. Once again, wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
ನೀನು ಕೈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಕೈ ಕೊಡ್ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಸೈಕು ಆಹಾ ಸೈಕೆ ತಿದ್ದು ನೋಡು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ
ಮುಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೆಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಲ್ಲಿ
ಮೂರು ಜನ ಬರೀ ಗಂಡ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ
ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ
Thank you.
बच्चागांनो आला सांग की नाही आला डीजे टू डीजे
ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಈಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರಲೇ ಬೇಡರಿ ಯಾಕೆರಿ ಅವ್ವೇ ಸಂಕ್ರಮಣದವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ಬ
ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಸರದಾರನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮನೆಯ ಕಣ್ಣು ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿದ ರೌಡಿ ರಾಮನ
अरे ओ कालिया कितने आदमी सुने
क्या आदमी है
बसंती इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना बसंती इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचो ಸಾಗೋದು ಹೊಳೆಯೊಂಬ ಇದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡವನೇ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರಾಗೋದು ಹೊಳೆಯೊಂಬ ಹೊಳೆಯೊಂಬ ಹೊಳೆಯೊಂಬ
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಅದು ಬಾಡಿ ಚಲೋ ಐತಲ್ಲ ನಿಂದು
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Respected teachers, dear students, today we gather here to celebrate a special occasion, that is Teachers' Day. This day is dedicated to honoring the incredible contributions of our teachers who play a pivotal role in shaping the future of our society. Capable and ready to face the challenges of the future. To our students, I encourage you to take a moment today to thank your teachers. Recognize their hard work and dedication. Remember that the knowledge and values they impart will guide you throughout your lives. Let us all strive to uphold the values of respect, gratitude, and continuous learning. Today, together we can create an environment where education thrives and where every student has the opportunity to reach their potential. Happy Teachers' Day, dear teachers.
Thank you, sister.
I am deeply touched and immensely grateful for the wonderful Teachers' Day celebration you have organized, dear students. Your hard work, creativity and dedication have made this day a truly special for all of us. The performance, decorations and thoughtful gestures have filled our hearts with joy and pride. It is moments like these that remind us why we choose this noble profession. Seeing your enthusiasm and appreciation is the greatest reward we could ask for. Thank you, students. Thank you for making us feel valued and cherished. Your efforts have not only made this day memorable, but have also strengthened the bond between teachers and students. We are proud to be your mentors and are committed to guiding you towards a bright and successful future. Thank you, students. What do you celebrate today?
Teachers' Day.
Why you celebrate Teachers' Day today? Why you celebrate?
ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
7th standard, don't answer. Now, who is your first teacher?
Father.
Very good. Did you all wish your mothers today? No? How many of you wish? No, I don't believe. Did you wish your mummies today? Happy birthday, mother. Happy Teachers' Day. Did you wish?
No, no, sister.
Okay, you have wished? Good. Otherwise, one homework for you. Will you do?
I say so.
Okay, hands down. Okay, hands down. Who is that? Okay, when you go back home today, you have to go and hug your mother and say, I love you, mother, you are my best teacher. Will you say?
Yes, sister.
What will you say?
I love you, mother.